FirstPulse is a landing page template for mobile apps. So, if you're building or launching a mobile app and you want to get as many people to sign up or download the app as possible, this is the perfect template to do that. It's designed keeping in mind business, finance, and fintech apps. So, you can think expense and budget tracking apps, payment apps, banking solutions, crypto wallets, and so much more. So, let's take a quick look at some of the features of this template and what you get when you buy it on the Webflow Marketplace for just $29. Now, this template contains 3 landing page options that you can use. All 3 of these landing pages have the same theme but slightly different layouts and designs depending on your use case and your preferences. For example, you have 3 different sections designed to show your pricing plans. You have one with this toggle switch, one side-by-side comparison, and one checklist style comparison. So you get a lot of options and you can choose the one that you like best. The best and most standout feature of this template is the stunning scrolling animation that is custom designed to showcase your app in a more engaging and interactive manner than just static mockups. This is a really great way to show people how to use your app, show off its features or your customer's journey. I really believe that it's this section which has made this template into my best seller so far. It's very unique, it's very easy to customize, and there are just a lot of use cases where it makes a lot of sense. Apart from the 3 landing pages, we have a custom on-brand 404 page and a password protection page in case you only want to give some people access to the landing page. For example, you're still in pre-launch mode, so your app isn't live yet, and you can use this feature to give early access to testers, investors, or a select audience without letting just anyone on the internet access it. Finally, we have the template resource pages. Now, these pages are there to help you, the buyer of this template, fully understand and customize the template. The style guide contains all the styles used across the website in one place, and you can use it to apply your own branding to this template. If you make changes to the text styles and colors on this page, they'll be carried over across the website and easily cut your template customization time in half. Then we have the licenses page, which is purely informational and it tells you about the licensing of all the assets used in this template. Next is the changelog, which tells you if and how this template has been updated from the first time it was published. Seeing a well-kept and updated changelog is generally a very good sign because it tells you that the creator of the template hasn't just published and then abandoned it, they're still maintaining it, updating it, and even improving it. Last up is the instructions page, and here I've added instructions on how to customize that gorgeous scrolling mockups animation just in case you have some trouble with it. Now, as a landing page, the key objective of this template is to convince people to download or sign up for your app. So you'll see that there's a clear value proposition right up front, and it follows a conversion-oriented layout that gives people information in a logical order and guides them towards the action that we want them to take, which in this case is to download the app. Now you'll notice it includes a simple, clear navigation telling people what's on the page, and all these links take you to different sections of the same page, and that's really important. I see all these landing pages with all these off-page navigation links taking you here and there and distracting you from the main task at hand. This landing page doesn't do that because we don't want anyone leaving this page without taking action. There's also this back to top button that pops up when you scroll up just in case someone wants to go right back up without having to scroll all the way through. Now, obviously, you want a landing page to be fully responsive, which means that it should look good on all screen sizes. So if I change the screen size on my browser, you can see how the layout changes to adapt to the screen size. So you don't need to worry about mobile users not having as good an experience as desktop users. Another really important aspect of a landing page is how quickly it loads. And you can see here that I ran the Pingdom speed test to check its load time and it loads in under 1 second. So that's great for SEO and just overall a great experience for your users who don't need to wait for a landing page to load. Now, this isn't a customization tutorial, so I'm not going to dive into how to customize this template inside Webflow, but what you need to know is that the template is 100% customizable. You can easily add your text, mockups, brand colors, and make it your own, and all that is done using drag and drop functionality in Webflow. You can literally just click any element to edit it. So you can already see that this template gives insane value. Like in just $29, you have access to like 40 plus different sections that you can mix and match and choose from and customize and use them to create a very unique landing page design. You can get it for just $29 on the Webflow Marketplace, the link for which is given in the description of this video. And you can check out more of my Webflow templates at my website. I offer lifetime support for all my templates, so you're in good hands. If you ever need any help understanding or customizing a template, you can write me an email or you can add a comment just below this video. I'll get back to you as soon as possible.